Miss Turner's class. You need help with homework? It's Miss Turner's class. I got you. It's Miss Turner's class. What about if you didn't understand something in class? It's Miss Turner's class. I got
you. Hip hop, you don't stop, I rock it to the bang bang boogie. Say up jump the boogie to the rhythm of the boogie to beat. Ho, now what you hear is not a test. I'm rapping to the beat. Oh, this is awkward. I didn't know I was recording. Hey everybody, how you doing? All right, let's act like you didn't just hear that. Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, we are focusing on Module 3, Lesson 9. And you're probably wondering, Miss Turner, why in the world are you rapping to old school hip hop? And the reason is pretty simple. It's because today we're going to kick it old school. That's right, y'all. We are going to learn how to multiply the same way your aunties, your uncles, your mom, your pops, your grandmother, your great-grandmother, Miss Turner. You're going to learn the same way that we learned when we were in school how to multiply, and it's called using the standard algorithm. Let's go ahead and look at this anchor chart to help us. As you can see, when we're using the standard algorithm, we are simply multiplying our bottom number by every single digit at the top. We're going to be multiplying our bottom number by the ones place, the tens place, and sometimes even the hundreds place, and then we're going to put our product at the bottom. I'm also going to include a multiplication chart in your classwork today and in this video so that we can use the multiplication chart to help us if we get stuck with any of our facts. You're probably wondering, Ms. Turner, why are we learning this strategy? And the reason is pretty simple. It's because using the standard algorithm is a little bit quicker than using discs, and it's a little bit quicker than using a partial product. And you'll see why. Let's go ahead and practice on our first problem. On this first problem, as you can see, we're going to be solving these problems, the same problem, using a partial product and a standard algorithm. Let's go ahead and practice our partial product for review. Remember, partial product means part of your product, and then you're adding them all together when you're done. So, remember, we're starting on the right-hand side. I have 34 times 4. That means I'm multiplying 4 by how many ones? What number's in the ones place? In the number 34. Awesome job. Yeah, 4 ones. And how many tens are in that number 34? What number are we multiplying 4 by? Good thinking. Yeah, 3 tens. All right, y'all. So we already know we did the hard part. We figured out what we're going to be multiplying 4 by. Now it's time to actually multiply. 4 times 4. Remember, we're only focusing on the equation, and then we'll go back to the place value later. What's 4 times 4? If you're getting stuck, you know that there's a multiplication chart on your page that you can use to help you. I know that if I'm multiplying 4 times 4, I'm going to find my purple 4, and I'm going to simply go down or over 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. What's 4 times 4? That's right, 16. And 16 ones, if I have 16 $1 bills, it simply just means I have $16. All right, y'all, next row. 4 times 3 tens. What's 4 times 3? Use your chart if you get stuck. Good, 12. And I have 12 tens. How would I write 12 tens? Think about it. I have 12 $10 bills. How much money do I have? Good job. Yes, 120. And now the last step tells us we have to add them together. Starting in our ones, 6 plus 0. Oh, we know this. What's 6 plus 0? Good job. 6. What's 1 plus 2? Fantastic. 3. And what's 1 plus nothing? Awesome job. 1. All right, team. So we just multiplied using a partial product. Let's multiply the same problem using the standard algorithm. Let's go ahead and see what the difference is. In our standard algorithm, we know that we're going to be focusing on our circle at the bottom, our red circle. And we are going to be multiplying our red circle by our triangles at the top. Now here's the thing. We have to multiply our red circle by each of these triangles starting on the right-hand side. So go ahead and follow those arrows. What am I multiplying 4 by? Look where that arrow is leading to. What number am I going to be multiplying my red 4 by? Good. I'm multiplying it by 4. Looking at that chart, what's 4 times 4? Yes, 16. But can I put 2 digits in one place value? Absolutely not. So let's think back for a second. What do I do if I cannot put both of my numbers in one place value? Where could I put I can leave my 6 on the floor. Where can I put my 1? What do you think? If you said your 1 is going to go at the top, you are absolutely correct. We're going to leave our 6 on the floor, and then our 1 is going to go next door to our tens place. We just multiplied 4 times 4. Now we're going to multiply 4 times 3. What's 4 times 3? Use that chart to help you if you're getting stuck. Good, 12. But I have 1 more at the top. So add 1 more. 12 plus 1. Good, 13. Now, y'all, there's no other place value for me to bundle and put my 1 in the next place value. So when that happens, we're simply just going to put 13 on our floor. In both of these problems, we got 136 as our product. Let's try another one so you guys can get some more practice in. This time, not focusing on the partial product and just focusing on the standard algorithm. Let's start with problem A. In problem A, I have 251 times 3. Remember, I'm multiplying my red circle by all 3 of my triangles at the top, and then I'm going to put my answer at the bottom, which is a combination of my red and my blue. So let's go ahead and get started. 3 times, what am I multiplying 3 by first? What's my first arrow pointing to? What number is it pointing to? Good, 1. 3 times 1. What's my product? 3 times 1. Good, 3. And now it's time for me to multiply my next number 3 times what? What number is my arrow, my second arrow pointing to? This arrow right here, what number is it pointing to? That's right, 5. So 3 times 5. What's 3 times 5? I'll scroll down so you have time to look at your multiplication chart. Remember, you're going to go to your purple side, and then you're just going to go down 5 spaces until you get to your number. What's my product? Good, 15. Can I do that? Does that look right to y'all? No. I have more than 10, right? So think about when we were bundling before. If we had more than 10, we had to bundle, which means we're going to bring our group of 10 to our next place value. So that 5 is staying on the floor, and where is my 1 going to go? Yeah, absolutely. It's going to go next door to my hundreds place. Here we go. My last triangle, 3 times. Where is my last arrow pointing to? What number is it pointing to? Good, 3 times 2. What's 3 times 2? Oh, we know this one, y'all. We don't need our chart for this one. What is it? Yeah, 6. But don't forget about that 1. 6 plus 1 more. Good job. 7. So my product of 251 times 3 is 753. Let's try part B. 135 times 6. Same as before, looking at our red circle, and we're going to be multiplying our red circle by every single one of our triangles, starting in my ones place. 6 times, what number are we multiplying 6 by? Yes, 5. 6 times 5, what's my product? Use your multiplication chart if you get stuck. Good job. 30. I can't do that. So that means my number in my tens place and the number 30 would be moving next door. Which one of these numbers is in the tens place and the number 30? What number? If you said 3, you're absolutely correct. The 3 was in my tens place, so the 3 is going to be moving over next door while my 0 is staying on the floor. All right, here we go. 6 times, 6 times what? What number are we multiplying 6 by next? Good, 6 times 3. What's 6 times 3? Good, 18 plus 3 more, because remember, we cannot forget about our 3. Think about it this way. If you're drawing new discs to your next place value, you still have to count those in your total. So we have 18 plus 3 more. How many do I have now? Good, 21. Can I do that? No, that's crazy. So which one of these numbers is going to go next door? Here's a hint if you're stuck. Which number in the number 21 is in the tens place? Absolutely, my 2. So my 2 is actually going to go ahead and move over to the hundreds place, and my 1 is going to stay on the floor. All right, team. 6 times, what's our last number we're going to be multiplying 6 by? Yeah, 6 times 1. What's 6 times 1? Yeah, it's just 6 plus 2 more. Good job. 8. So the product of 135 times 6 is 810. I want you guys to try this one on your own. Go ahead and pause the video, and I want you to see if you can solve this problem. When you're done solving the problem, go ahead and unpause the video and see if you got the same answers as me. I'll see you guys back in a second. All right, team. So as of now, you should have paused the video and done this problem on your own. Let's see what you got. 9 times 7. Did you get 63? Me too. What did you do with your 6? Because it can't stay down on the floor. Oh my goodness, I did the same thing. You brought it next door. All right, here we go. 9 times 5. Did you get 45? Awesome, but did you put 45 here? If you did, you shouldn't have, because remember, I have to add what's at the top as well. So 45 plus 6. What's my total? I got the same thing, 51. What do I do with my 5 here? Because it can't stay on the floor. Good job. Yes, it's going to go next door. All right. 9 times 4. Did you get 36? Me too. But did you put 36 like that? Okay, good. Remember, you have to add that 5 at the top. So 36 plus 5. What'd you get? Good job, 41. And because there's no other blue triangle, all you're going to do is just simply put 41 on your floor. 457 times 9 is 4,113. Did you get that as your answer? Oh, you're so smart. If you did not get that answer, you're still so smart. Just make sure you're practicing by going back over this video. All right, guys, until next time, see you later.